Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with power and settings. These are the most common causes. First, confirm the alarm time and AM versus PM so you didn't set it 12 hours off. Next, inspect power. Swap in fresh batteries or verify the plug and outlet. Continuity matters. Once done, open the sound settings and raise the alarm volume and choose a tone that is loud enough. Make sure any Do Not Disturb or Mute mode is disabled before moving to deeper checks. Now focus on audio path and software. Play a sample alarm tone to confirm the speaker works. If external speakers or Bluetooth are active, disconnect them and test again. Next, inspect the alarm app's permissions. Allow notifications and background refresh so the alarm can fire when the screen is off. Update the clock firmware or alarm app because bugs are common. Then reboot the device to apply changes and clear transient glitches. If the alarm still fails, move to hardware and factory reset options. Finish with decisive actions. Delete and recreate the alarm entry to remove corruption, and if multiple alarms fail, perform a factory reset after backing up settings. If the unit is old, replace capacitors or the speaker, or simply swap to a new clock. Hardware failure is common in aging devices. Make sure to test immediately after each change. Troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, run an alternative alarm method like your phone or a radio. This isolates whether the issue is the clock or house power.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.